Good morning everyone, welcome back to the semester of global online classes. And children, today is a turn of validation. So already 4 chapters we have done. So chapter number 5 we will do today, which is being honest. Okay, so children, you have heard it many times from your elders, from your teachers, that please be honest. We always say this many times to you all, that please be honest means don't lie. Suppose you have done something wrongly, or you have done some mistake, so to cover up that mistake, don't lie. You should come up with the fact that yes, this happened by me and accidentally it's happened, so you should say sorry about it. Okay, and don't be fear or scared, because after that what will you do? You will cover up that mistake by one more lie. Okay, so don't lie. We always say this. Okay, be honest and don't lie. So today we will come to know about a chapter in which there is a puppet boy who always lie, and then what happens with that boy, with that puppet. Okay, we will come to know. Okay, so Pinocchio, the little puppet boy, is a little puppet boy. So Pinocchio, the name of that puppet, it's a little puppet. Means a non-living thing, so not a real boy, it's a puppet. Was just not an ordinary toy. He was a toy, but not an ordinary. Okay, he was a funny little fellow whose nose would simply grow and grow. With every lie he told, his nose grew twofold. Okay, so here it's saying that Pinocchio is a little boy, and it's a puppet boy, but it's not an ordinary puppet boy. Ordinary puppet boy, why it is said? Because ordinary puppet cannot speak. Okay, but it's a special puppet which can speak. And it's a funny little fellow. Why? Because whenever he lies, what happens with his nose? It becomes big. Okay, twofold big. It grew whenever he say lie. With every false word he spoke, the further out his nose would go. Okay, so if he say a single word wrongly, or means he lies about a single word, then what happened with his nose? It pop out, means or badi ho jati hai. Okay, it spoke out. Then every time he grew an inch, he would want to give it a good pinch. Okay, so every time his nose gets bigger and bigger within inches whenever he say a wrong word. Okay, and he always tried to give it a good pinch and want to settle his nose like the ones he had. But because he speaks so much of lies, he speaks, because of that his nose grew bigger and bigger, until his nose grew so very long he could no longer sing a song. Okay, so there's a time when he spoke too much of lies, then his nose became too much of longing. It grew a lot, and then it created a problem for him because he's not able to sing or sing a song. Okay, because of his big nose. Let alone play a game of ping pong, his nose bothered him all the day. Okay, so he get very upset because he had a very big nose, very long nose, and that bothered him lots, and that nose bothered him too much. Okay, because he's not able to live the normal life, the previous life, when he has a normal nose. Okay. Then finally, Pinocchio made up his mind. His habit of lying he would leave behind. Stop making up stories and telling lies, so his nose would return to its normal size. Okay, no, finally when he becomes so tired because of his big nose, he's not able to play, he's not able to sing a song, he becomes so upset. So he said one thing, that he will not lie any more. Okay, and he will stop his habit of lying at the moment only. He decided. So he stopped telling the false stories and lies which he used to make by himself only. So his nose could return to its normal size. Okay, so he thought that if I do like this, means if I stop spreading lies and telling false things, then my nose would be become in a normal size. With every true word that he said, now with every true word, now he has changed himself and started speaking the truth. So with every true word, the nose went in and in, means his nose was getting to its normal size. Okay, as he sat in bed, till finally he looked like any real boy. Now finally what happened? When he started speaking the truth, he became a real boy and not a puppet anymore. Telling the truth brought him so much of joy. Okay, so when Pinocchio had changed himself, changed his habit of lying, he became a real boy and not a puppet. Understood? Means he was a puppet, but then he started lying, lying and telling false things. So what happened? His nose became bigger and bigger by the every lie of him. Okay. So when he decided that he will not lie anymore, what happened to his nose? It was also getting into a normal size, and also that Pinocchio, who was a puppet जानते हो ना? Like you can see doll or male doll, you can say over here. Pinocchio is a male because a boy. Okay, so with every truth, what happened? He changed. He converted into a real boy. Understood? So now quickly come to page number 24. Now here you can see that we have to do true and false. You have to write T for true and F for false, but you can also write the spelling true and false properly. Okay, the first one, Pinocchio was a puppet. So yes, it's true. Second, his nose would grow when he told a lie. So yes, true. Third, when his nose grew, he would smile and laugh with joy. Means when his nose grew too long, he was happy or sad. He was sad because he is not able to sing a song and not able to play. Okay, his big nose started bothering him. Okay, started irritating him. So it's false. Fourth, Pinocchio decided to stop lying. Yes, he decided that he will not lie anymore. So true. Okay. Fourth one is, I skipped this one. Sorry. Fourth one is, in the end, his nose remained long. So what happened in the end? In the end, his nose became into a normal size. Why? Because he decided to not lie any longer. Right? So false. Then fifth one, Pinocchio decided to stop lying. Yes. Then sixth one, telling the truth made Pinocchio very sad. Telling the truth, after he said the truth, what happened with him? He became a normal boy, right? So this made him sad or happy? This made him happy. So this one is wrong. Sixth one is false. Because Pinocchio became happy, joyful when he started telling the truth. Okay? Okay, so in the same page 24, you can see the second one. There is a story given which is not in a proper sequence. What we have to do, we have to make it in a proper sequence. Clear? So before we start the story, and this is a very famous story, the boy who cried wolf. Okay, it's a very famous story. So I am going to tell you in briefly, so that when we do this side, you will be able to do it very easily. It will become easy for you when you come to know about the story. The story is, there was a boy. Okay, he had a herd of sheep, so he used to take his sheep away for the to graze. Okay, so what happened? He had a problem, not a problem, but he had a habit of lying. So and to make fools, to make fool others. So what happened? Whenever he take his sheep for grazing, he used to cry out loudly, wolf, wolf, and okay, when he started crying that wolf, wolf. So by hearing this, villagers used to come there to protect him and his sheep, his herd of sheep. But then he started laughing every time and said that I was just kidding, I was just making fun, and I was just foolishing all of you. So the villagers become very angry. Okay, that every time this boy make us fool. Wonder what happened. This boy has taken his sheep away for the grazing. What happened? Actually, that day a wolf came. So what happened is, again he started crying wolf, wolf. By hearing his voice, villagers thought that again he is making he's crying just to make us fool. Clear? So no one had gone there to protect him and his sheep. So what happened? The wolf attacked on the sheep, and this boy just ran away from that place to protect himself. Clear? So what happened? This boy who was just making, he was just lying every time, he has lost his sheep, right? So he understood that what happened to him, he was lying again and again. So what happened to him? It was just, it became a problem for himself only. Okay? He lost his sheep only. Nothing was harmed with the villagers, right? So he understood the lesson that he should never make fun of others, or not lie and not try to make fool to others. Okay, so now let's do this exercise. Let's make it into a sequence. The very first one, there was a shepherd boy who herded sheep. So yes, the first one is the first one. Clear? Second one is, he often cried wolf, wolf, even when there were no sheep in sight. There were no wolf in sight. यहाँ पे sheep लिखा हुआ है, ठीक है? Make it blue. So second one. Sixth one is your second. Okay. Then third, the villagers would run to help the boy, but they got upset when they arrived on the scene and saw that there was no wolf. Okay. So this is your fifth one. Fifth one is your second, and sixth one is your third. Then fourth, one day the shepherd boy was herding sheep and a wolf actually came there. So second one is your fourth one. Then fifth, the third one, the boy called out wolf, wolf, but no villagers came to help him. So this third one is your fifth one. And fourth one is the last one. The wolf attacked the sheep and the boy ran away to save himself. This fourth one is your sixth one. Okay? So finally you got this number. So in front of 1, please write 1. In front of 5, write 2. In front of 6th sentence, write 3. In front of second sentence, write 4. In front of third sentence, write 5. In front of fourth sentence, write 6. Now come to the page number 25. and see, let's think and let's decide. Think what you would do if you are in the same condition or in the same situation. What would you do? You have told a lie to your friend and have been found out. You would, now suppose you lied to your friend and you were caught. Okay, your friend understood that you are lying. Then what would you do in this condition? You will make up another lie to cover up the lie you told him earlier, or you will say sorry and speak about the truth now. So option B. So you will say sorry and you will speak the truth about the truth now. So option B. Then your friend Aman asks you to lie to his parents for him. You would? What would you do if your friend is asking that please lie for me to my parents? This and that. Then what would you do? You will agree to help him because he is your friend, or tell his parents that he wanted you to lie for him, or tell him not to lie and speak the truth to his parents. So the third one. You will tell him that you should not lie and you should tell the truth to your parents. Then third one, you have not finished your homework because you were lazy. What would you do? Suppose you have not completed your homework, so what will be in this condition? You would tell your teacher that you have not done it and that will be given to her tomorrow, that we will agree, we will accept that yes, I have not done my homework, that's why I have not got, and I will give it to you tomorrow. Or you will tell her that I have finished my homework but I forgot it at home. Or you will say that and you will make excuse about you did not finish it. You will make some excuses that I don't have I had fever yesterday, I had headache yesterday, I was not well, this and that. So the very first one, that you will tell your teacher that I forgot to do or I have not done, you will tell the truth and you will assure her that tomorrow I will surely bring my homework. Okay? Okay. Fourth one, you came late to school because you woke up late. You would, now you came to school because you woke up late. Okay, अब देर notice होगा, तो आप क्या करेंगे? You will tell your principal teacher the truth and promise that it will not happen again, or say that your car had a puncture. So of course you will say the truth. Okay, you will say you will give the correct reason and you will promise that you will not repeat this again. So they know. Fifth one, you hurt your younger brother while playing. Suppose you and your younger brother or sister were playing and you hurt your younger brother or your younger sister by mistake, then you know your parent will be angry, okay, about this, and will punish you. They will punish you. So what you would do? You would lie and say that he fell down while running, or you tell the parent that you did not know how he hurt himself, or you will tell the truth and say that it was an accident. So of course you will say the third one, that you tell the truth and say that it was an accident. Okay. Fifth one is C. Sixth one, you did not do well in class test because you didn't study. So what you would do? You would tell your parent that no one in the class, that everyone in the class did badly. Okay, that's why your marks are also very less. Or you will tell your parent the truth and promise to study harder next time. Or you will tell your parents that you had done well but had lost the exercise book. So you will say the second one. Sixth, B. You will tell your parent the truth and promise to study harder the next time. Okay? Okay, children. There are many rhyming words with lie, which rhyme with lie. So some are spelled a little differently. Means spelling will be different. Okay. But the pronunciation will be same. Okay, so let's finish this exercise. We have to complete this word. Okay, I cannot find mine. Okay, this is line with Lie, na, rhyming with lie, so my. Second, my socks. Then babies cry when they are hungry or sleepy. Third, Aarti puts the clothes out in the sun to dry. Fourth, John ate a pie for dessert. We need to buy a new clothes for Onam. Sixth, if you fail, try and try again. Try and try again. Seventh, leave the seventh one with the eighth one. He said hi to his friend and he passed as he passed them. So hi. Okay. Okay, let's do the next exercise. The word honest has a silent H, you know. That means that you spell the word with an H, but when you say the word out loud, means when you pronounce it, okay, the H, you would not pronounce the H. In the word honest, all these words have silent letter. Okay, so we have to underline the letter. Okay, so the first one is knife. Okay, in which this K we do not pronounce, we spell, means we write, but we do not pronounce. We pronounce only knife. N-I-F. Then not, K-N-G not. We write K, but we pronounce only N-G not. Third, home. Okay. Fourth, ghost. Do not pronounce H over here, okay? Then fifth, castle. Do not pronounce T. Here in home, you do not pronounce D. We say gong. Okay? Then sixth, doorknob. Sorry, doorknob. K-N-O. Again, you do not pronounce K. Clear?